Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Loki in Marvel Rivals. Loki is a master of deception, using his magical abilities to outwit opponents. His primary attack is a ranged magical projectile, perfect for harassing enemies from a safe distance. He can also create convincing illusions to draw enemy fire and confuse their targeting, making him a tricky foe to pin down. Mastering Loki's illusions is key to his effectiveness. You can deploy them to bait out crucial enemy abilities, forcing opponents to waste their powerful attacks on a mere copy. They also serve as excellent temporary shields, absorbing damage for yourself or your teammates. Remember, strategic placement can turn the tide of a skirmish, creating chaos for your adversaries. Loki's ultimate ability is a powerful area of effect attack that can turn the tide of a team fight. When activated, it deals significant damage to all enemies within its radius. For maximum impact, try to combine it with your teammates' crowd control abilities, trapping foes within its destructive reach. This ultimate is excellent for clearing objectives or securing multiple eliminations. To truly excel as Loki, always maintain a safe distance, using your ranged attacks to chip away at enemy health. Focus your damage on high-priority targets like healers or other damage dealers. Practice makes perfect with his illusions and teleportation. Quick reflexes are crucial for survival and effective plays. Remember to adapt your strategy to counter the enemy's strengths.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.